Hello dear students. Since last lecture, we are dealing with summary writing that you can consider as first part, and today's lecture can be considered as second part for summary writing. I have intentionally divided these two lectures into first part and second part so that we can understand the importance of technical aspects, and in the second part means today's lecture we will deal with the actual example, one from my side, one from the text. Now, if you see on your screen, 5 sentences are there. I have a friend. His name is Amit. He is an engineer. He lives in Pune. He lives with his family consisting 5 people. Right? Now think on these 5 sentences and try to get the important detail from this. What do you find as important detail? You will get 5 words. First sentence, friend. Second sentence, Amit. Third, engineer. Fourth, Pune. And last one, 5 people. Right? Now try to club these 5 words into a sentence and you will automatically get the summary of these 5 sentences. Yes, see on your screen. My engineer friend Amit lives in Pune with his family of 5 people. So all those 5 important words are there, but instead of 5, we have framed only one sentence. Still, the entire important information is there. This is what the summary is about. We are cutting short the information. At the same time, we have kept all the important details. If you remember the rules of summary writing from the last lecture, I have applied those things here only. So I hope you have understood this small example. Now we will move to the text part. Now see on your screen, we have used some of the do's and some of the don'ts while framing the summary, which we have done just before 1 minute. Now, before we go to the actual text example, see on your screen at the right side. In the last lecture, we discussed the story of that king. I hope you have remembered. Now, that story was about wisdom. That story about the king's wish to give his advice or his message to the coming generation and all that. But for us, what was more important? They started with 7 volumes. They reduced to 1 volume. Then they came to 1 chapter, 1 paragraph, and then they came with 1 line. So, from 7 volumes to 1 sentence, that was their journey of summary writing. They were summarizing the things, but they did not lose the actual content because it was there. The moral or the main thought was there till the last sentence. So that we have seen in the last lecture. Now here, what we will do while dealing with the example from your textbook, we will try to get or collect some of the important points from the following passages. There are certain paragraphs in that passage, and we will try to collect some of the important details. At the same time, we will avoid examples, quotes, repetition of ideas, and we will focus on main content or main part only. Now, for your assistance in examination, you can use pencil to write the important content from the paragraphs, which later you will have to erase it because you are not supposed to write anything on question paper, not with pencil as well. Remember this. Now we'll do one thing. We will start with the first paragraph. See on your screen. Learning disability, in short LD, is an umbrella term for a wide variety of learning problems. Children with learning disorder might be labeled as slow learners, but they are as smart as everyone else. They just need to be taught in proper environment conducive to their learning speed and level. Observations of child over a period of time by parents and home and teachers in school can provide valuable information about the way a child is able to learn and function in all the ways that he should be able to at his age and level. This is what the first paragraph is about. Now, what you are supposed to do in examination and here also, you need to get those important details from this first paragraph. And to do this, what you are supposed to do? See, instruction is at the bottom. Read the article twice, read the paragraph twice, ask question about the purpose of writing. What is the purpose of first paragraph in this passage? Identify the main idea. This is the most important part of summary writing. You need to identify the main part, main idea. Write the first draft with pencil, as I said. With pencil, you can note down some of the important words or important sentences, if any, from the first part. Revise your first draft and edit it. If you have got some of the important words, try to frame them into a sentence. That is what the revise your first draft and edit it. Write the final draft. And by reading those 5 to 6 lines, by analyzing those 5 to 6 lines, by getting some important words or sentences, write first final draft. Why I am saying first, I will let you afterwards. So you may come with 2 sentences and they might be like this. See on your screen, on the right side, paragraph 1. It is about learning disabilities in children who are otherwise smart like others. Now, if you go through the paragraph from the beginning, you will find that this is what the important words are there. Important words, and with the help of those important words, this is what we can find. If you see the first paragraph, all these words were there, which we have taken here just now. And what are they? The paragraph is about learning disabilities in children who are otherwise smart like others. This is what my analysis. You may come with different sentence, but remember, the soul of the passage should be one. Your sentence may differ with me, but your idea of the passage or that particular paragraph should be same with me. Are you getting? Now let's go to the second paragraph on your screen. See, there may be certain apparent problems while reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning and dealing with maths. These are some of the problems. Once these problems are identified, as it is time for proper investigation, so it is time for proper investigation after understanding the problems. It is important in order to clarify specific learning disorders and also rule out any other issues affecting the students' educational progress. Now, if you want to write important part out of this content, can you tell me what are the important ideas or idea you get from this second paragraph? As far as I concern, see in the first line itself, I am getting these words: reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning and dealing with maths. So it is about problems, and problems, what are the problems is being mentioned. Fine. Then what is the second important idea we can get from the passage is this, that once you identify the problem, it can be sorted out. Yes, these are the two important ideas. See what I have written here, what I have got here. The problems like reading, writing, speaking, reasoning, and dealing with maths are the types of learning disabilities. So, out of those 4 lines, this is what the most important line which I can't drop or which is more important than other information is written over here. Now, come to the third quickly. Third paragraph. Investigations may reveal various types of disorders like. So after investigating that child, you will come to the some of the some of the things which reveal these things. Disorders like dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, specific reading disability, auditory processing disorder, APD, ADHD, etc. Auditory processing disorder, also known as central auditory processing disorder, is a condition that affects the sound that travels unimpeded through the ear, is processed or interpreted by the brain. Individuals with APD do not recognize subtle differences between sounds and words. So mainly it is about APD. The third paragraph is about APD, and first part of third paragraph talks about various disorders like dyslexia, dysgraphia, and later part, if you see, later part of that passage which deals or which gives more importance to a specific disease which is called as APD, auditory processing disorder. Now, when you write the important part from that particular paragraph, this is what you get. See the third one. It is about various disorders like dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, specific reading disability, and auditory processing disorder. Yes. So all these things are there. We can get from the third paragraph. So are you getting what we are doing? We are trying to collect some of the important parts from each and every paragraph. From the first paragraph, we got this information that this paragraph is about learning disabled students who are otherwise like smart. Then second paragraph dealt with some of the problems like reading, writing, etc., etc. The third problem, after getting those problems, it talks about some of the various disorders like dyslexia and other things are there. Now, fourth, fifth, and sixth paragraph. Now you do it at your own self. Intentionally, I am not taking that because I want you to work on those paragraphs. For your information, for your assistance, I have already given the short summary of those particular paragraphs, and we will club these 6 paragraph summary into one paragraph. So what we are doing, we are working on each and every paragraph one by one. So on the right side of screen, you will find that I have given the short summary of each and every paragraph, right? You can't say it summary, the important details from those paragraphs, and we will club this information into a single paragraph, and that will be our summary of entire passage. So first 3 I have explained you. Now fourth, fifth, and sixth, I have already worked on them, and I have given you the answer as well. I want you to work on it. Remember, your sentences may change than that of me. You may come with some different sentences, but the soul of the passage or soul of the paragraph should be the same. Are you getting what I am trying to say? For example, fourth paragraph, I have given it is about details about different disabilities. One may suffer from more than one disability. This is what the main important content from fourth paragraph as far as I concern. Your sentence may differ than that me, but the soul of the paragraph will be the same. Same case with the fifth and sixth paragraph. So one and all, these are the 6 different sentences of 6 different paragraphs. Now, if we club them into a paragraph, if we club these 6 sentences or main ideas into a single paragraph, we will come to this on your screen. Learning disability, handle with care. Now even title, if you see the title itself talks about the paragraphs carefully. In the first line itself, we came to know that it is about learning disability. So learning disability is there and handle with care. Especially paragraph number 4, 5 and 6. They talk about one should deal with these children with very polite or with care. So learning disability, handle with care. And these are some of the lines given. If you tally your sentences or our sentences, upstairs on the right side upstairs, my sentences are there, and just below that the summary. What is this summary? If you see, some of the sentences may not technically match with the summary. Some of my sentences I'm talking about, but if you get the soul of the summary and soul of my those sentences, it will be same only. Now see, we will go to it quickly. We'll try to analyze how they have worked on summary and what is our summary as well. Now see, in the first paragraph what I said, it is about learning disability in children who are otherwise smart like others. Now see what they are saying. Learning disability is an umbrella term for many learning problems like reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning, maths and other physical and motor deficiencies. So in the first sentence they have clubbed two ideas. Now if you see my first paragraph analysis and second paragraph analysis, you will get the first line from this particular summary. If you see my first paragraph analysis, it is about learning disabilities in children who are otherwise smart like others. Paragraph 2 was the problems like reading, writing, speaking, reasoning and dealing with maths are the types of learning disabilities. Now if you club these two paragraph ideas into one sentence, you will get the first sentence from your given summary here. Learning disability is an umbrella term for many learning problems like reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning, maths and other physical and motor difficulties. So this is what the way of writing summary. Now see next line. These problems need to be identified and investigated. Yes, a child can be diagnosed with more than one learning disability like dyslexia, dysgraphia, auditory processing disorder, etc. Now if you see third paragraph and my analysis of third paragraph, you will come to analyze this line. See, it is about various disorders like dyslexia, dysgraphia and all that. And they are also saying that these problems need to be identified and investigated, and they have given disabilities like dyslexia and all that. Now see next line. Such disorders can be dealt with using various methods. Yes, these things can be solved by using various methods. If you see paragraph 5 from my content, you will find that these abilities can be identified and solved to a great extent if identified early. So one and all, that is what I said. One and all, our content should be same. Sentences you may change, but it doesn't mean that you can change the idea. The idea should be the same. Remember this. Now see next line. One of the ways is inclusion. Implementation of inclusion may vary, but it has a positive effect on the learning disabled. Though the idea of inclusion is not, the printing mistake is there, that should be is not popular in our country, it can prove useful to handle such children. Along with the methods and techniques, the children also need encouragement and moral support to progress with self-confidence and determination. If you see paragraph 5 and 6 analysis from my content, you will get the remaining part. One more thing I would like to tell you is this, but before that, let's go to the paragraph 5 and 6 from my content. These disabilities can be identified and solved to a great extent if identified early. That is what they are also saying in the last page of, or the part of that summary. A child can be educated and socially developed by using different techniques. The LD students can develop themselves if the society love, encourage, and offer moral support to them. So, moral support, I also talk about that. They are also talking about that. The use of words and the construction is little bit here and there, but the soul of the sentence or soul of the content is same. So if you club all these 6 analytical sentences from my content, you will come to this, which was given by them. So your summary may be different than us, from my summary and from their summary. Mine is not summary. I have just analyzed those paragraphs and I have given their summary. But if you club my sentences, you will get the same type of summary. So your summary, my summary, and their summary, they may be different with some of the words, but the soul of all the 3 summaries should be the same. Remember this. Don't forget ever. So one and all, I hope you have got how to make summary. Now, as I told you, you have to work on paragraph number 4, 5, and 6. Go through them properly. My content is there. You can use your own PDF text, or if you have textbook, it is fine. And you can try to relate the important thing. Use your pencil. Try to underline important things. Tally with my sentences. Tally with their own summary, which was given by the text. I hope you have understood all the things of summary in a proper way. Just go through it. Thank you so much.